If we start at the ground and dig all the way down, will it dig through the earth? To explore the answer to this question, both the United States and Russia have launched land excavation missions. Russia spent a full 10 years digging 12,263 meters, but suddenly shut down the mission urgently. What did they find? What secrets are hidden at the center of the earth? This video is worth watching carefully. It might change some of your perceptions of humanity. Hello everyone, and welcome to this issue of Science. Want to know more interesting content? Welcome to Click the Follow button. May 1970, Russia has officially launched an experimental mission to explore the center of the Earth from a site called Kola Superdeep Drilling. The goal is to detect the boundary between the Earth's crust and demand. And then through the results of digging, see if you can study the formation of the Earth and the origin of life. This move was also carried out by Lau Mei at the same time, but they didn't dig Russia itself, so it's not that valuable. Now, based on what is known to man, the Earth is divided into 3 parts from the inside out, including the core, lava-filled vines, and solid crust. Which part did Russia dig up? If they continue to dig, will it dig through the Earth? The first bit full of energy just touches the ground. Only dug 1 meter, you'll see a patchwork of stout old roots. This is a place where ordinary humans can dig with a shovel. 2 meters underground, you can also see the coffins buried all over the world, because this is the standard depth for a normal burial. If you're in a good mood, you can say hello to them. 4 meters underground. This is the famous climbing tomb of Tutankhamun in ancient Egypt. Not only luxurious, you can also see the golden mask that symbolizes the ancient civilization of Egypt. 7 meters underground. This is the maximum depth that a normal excavator can reach on the market today. What is hidden in the ground that human excavators cannot dig? 12 meters underground. If you're lucky, you'll get to see Africa's largest crocodile, the Naroa, because this is the deepest they can dig. 15 meters underground. Here you can find Einstein, a Peking University scientist writing to future generations. But you can't open it, because he said it wouldn't be seen until 5,000 years later. 18 meters underground. You can also see the real Beijing underground city. This was originally designed to protect against nuclear warships, just never came in handy. I believe it will not be useful in the future. 20 meters underground. You'll see the catacombs of Paris. It's a big site. There are 600 human skeletons inside. 35 meters underground. Here are the Beijing Subway Line 9 and the Military Museum. Such a deep location. Better to use than the Yellow River in the dungeon. 50 meters underground. Here are some of the most spectacular underground sewers in Tokyo. Beyond you, 60 meters underground. You can also see the oil-rich underground city of Daling in Turkey. 8th floor, 200 rooms. Can live 20,000 people. 84 meters underground. It is from the Victory Park railway station in Moscow, Russia. Don't wonder why the subway station has to be built so deep. Because it was for the Yellow River War at that time. The deep refuge of the Soviet Shura field. They're not all homogeneous. 106 meters underground, a subway station deeper than the Soviet Union. It is also the most authentic subway station in the world. This is a subway station in Pyongyang, North Korea. It's modeled after the Moscow Metro line. The average depth is about 100 meters. The deepest part can reach both sides. You have to stand for 3 minutes to get out by escalator. North Koreans are also salty enough. 200 meters underground. What you see here is a Colombian church. You said it's more than just grounding. No matter how deep it is, it will take the underworld. 12 meters underground. This is where the poles used to be. The place for the marathon. It's also quite idle. 305 meters underground. The Soviet Union. This is the underground command post of the Soviet ship. 392 meters underground. This is the deepest well ever dug by the British. They dug for 4 years. I don't know where the water is going. Lower 500 meters. You can see a lot of compost accumulation here, because at the moment humans have no good way to deal with them. Then you can only not deal with it. 500 meters underground. What secrets will there be after that? 688 meters underground. This was a mine. Trapped 33 intelligence miners. But after the full rescue of the people on the ground, he was still rescued. It's just that everyone lost a lot of weight. 1 kilometer underground. The rock formations here are very old. Even smaller than the Earth by 1 billion years. How big is that? 350 billion years old. On 410 meters underground. You have no idea. This is where Finns, who are more boring than the British, give concerts. In order to hold a veritable underground concert, they really fight enough. 2,400 meters underground. Here's our country's dark matter laboratory. 3 kilometers underground. The rock composition here is not just ancient, it is identical to lunar soil. Amazing. 3,132 meters underground. This is the depths of a gold mine in South Africa. You can try taking a rock back and making a windfall. 5 kilometers underground. This is the depth of the movie Wandering Earth Dungeon. 6,700 meters underground. The stone here belongs to granite. Experts have detected microscopic plankton that are more than 2 billion years old. 9 kilometers underground. You can see a large number of golden channels here. If you can extract it, the next richest person in the world is your degree. 9,583 meters underground. This is the deepest well America has ever dug. They stopped there. 12,000 kilometers underground. The temperature here has longitude up to 300 degrees, no longer suitable for human survival. 12,262 meters underground. This is the end of the Russian dig. It is also the deepest place that humans have ever dug. But not even 0.2% of the diameter of the Earth, so humans are still a long way from digging through the Earth. Then why not dig? Russia says it has run out of money, but no one knows why. What do you have to say about that? Do you have any unique insights? Welcome to leave a message to discuss with everyone.